Hello to our friends in Jordan, Haiti, and Kenya from Solar City's Homestead Ecosystem out here in Tilson, New York. What you see is my beautiful garden that is coming along thanks to the lovely compost tea or bioslurry that we get from our anaerobic biodigester. I have over here some tomato plants that are grown in soil that is fed by compost tea from the digester as well, and I want you to notice this beautiful green color on this tomato plant that is actually grown here in the soil that I apply the bioslurry to. So you'll have this as a comparison for when we get over to the tomato plants that are fed solely on water and bioslurry alone without soil, which are right over here. So you see these white buckets. This is deep water culture, also known as DWC. So all this is an air bubbler in each of these 6 buckets here that is fed from one bubbler by this manifold right here. So this is a 6 air tube manifold, and the bubbler is way up there on the porch. Whenever you're doing deep water culture, it's always important to have your bubbler higher than your bucket. So if there is a power outage, it doesn't function as a flood and drain and have it flow backwards. So you can see right here, in my hand is that tomato plant that I picked. Look at that. Beautifully green, just about the same. And all these plants are gorgeous. You see my beautiful fruit growing here, right there. And over here are some more tomatoes as well. And these are little cherry tomatoes right here. And I think I have some fruit that's actually coming along right there. So tomato, cherry tomato. I have a bush bean and also a purple bean that has a beautiful purple flower that is wonderful for the honeybees. Here's a ground cherry, and here is another bush bean. This right here is pippin peppers. You can see the flower is already starting to develop, and I'm going to be bearing some fruit pretty soon. And I'm going to lift up this bucket so you can see exactly what's in here. And as you can see, this is just water with bioslurry and oxygen. What I love about deep water culture is that it is so forgiving, because when I lift this up, you'll see that tomato plant has a very tenacious root system. And what's wonderful about this that creates resilience is that even if it starts to run low on water, the roots go down and it continues to drop the water even though it might run low. And these plants are going to do just fine even if the power was to go out for up to a week without having that added oxygen. So resilience, beauty, simplicity, economical, deep water culture with bioslurry and oxygen and water and sunshine. Simple.